Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz style. This vehicle features a 79 kWh battery producing 286 PS. The vehicle comes finished in a two-tone colour combination candy white over starlight blue. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, we'll find a set of IQ LED matrix headlights allowing you to see the road ahead. The vehicle features front parking sensors as well as a set of 360 cameras. Down below and across all four wheels we'll find a set of the 20-inch Solna alloy wheels. Moving towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find privacy glass on the rear windows, and further helping you park and manoeuvre, this vehicle also features a rear view camera paired with a set of rear parking sensors. The Buzz features an electric tailgate behind which there is a large amount of storage space in the boot. There's a multi-flex board as well as two Volkswagen cargo boxes, and taking a look into the rear passenger area we'll find a 3-seater bench in a split 2-to-1 configuration. The two outermost seats feature ISOFIX points, and when these seats are folded flat they bring it to the same level thanks to the multi-flex board. The rear seats also feature a heated function, and this ID Buzz comes with a panoramic glass sunroof with smart glass. Up front we'll find two singular seats, both with two armrests each, and these seats are the Ergo comfort seats with a power massage and memory function. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system that comes with inbuilt navigation, as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Once reverse gear has been selected, the rear view camera feed will display on this screen. Throughout the rest of the centre console, we'll find some of the buttons to operate the two twin sliding doors, as well as a cup holder. This ID Buzz also comes with the Buzz box that features an inbuilt ice scraper as well as bottle opener. Exclusively for the driver, we'll find a black leather-trimmed multifunction steering wheel, as well as a digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz style. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.